Wow, ano to? High five! Nice one! Good morning and good evening and either good afternoon. Everybody, welcome back to another video today. So ngayon ay maglalaro tayo ng The Witch 1 Witch Cry. Mahal na lang muna natin siguro. Yung The Red Hood, di ko sure kung okay ba yun eh. Pero so, try natin yung normal game. Normal muna. Huwag muna natin i-extreme kasi di ko pa sure kung ano yung mangyayari dyan. So, sabi rito, as he did every night, Timmy crawled into the bed, ready to sleep. So, parang gumapang siya, pumunta dun sa anong gagawin niya. But just as he was about to fall asleep, the windows burst open, making a loud noise. So, startled, Timmy ran and hid under the bed. It's just the wind, he thought, and plucking up his courage, he grabbed his beloved slingshot and carefully approached the window. But just as he was trying to lose it, a strange blew him out the window. After noon, parang natakot yata siya tapos parang kumalabog. Where was he? How had he gotten there? Without finding the answer, he began to cry uncontrollably. But at the moment, something on his waist attracted his attention. It was his inseparable slingshot. Okay, so meron tayo ngayong slingshot dito. Ano to? Eat. That's a pie. Ano to? Huh? Yeah. Laglag. Go, open. Not sure kung anong mangyayari dito pero wow, ano to? High five. Nice one. Tulog si tanda. Nasaan yun? Teka, mag-explore man tayo.
The firmament shines in an unusual way, as if the universe itself understood the importance of this moment. Today I have begun the creation of Pantea, and these pages will witness its growth. A fantasy place where illness and misfortune will have no place. There, chance will succumb to my will, and every creature and landscape will follow the designs carefully traced by my hand.
Okay.
The firmament shines way, as if the universe itself understood the importance of this moment. Today I have begun the creation of Pantea, and these pages will witness.
Witness of growth. Ito na sa gitna. Parang part siya ng story na... Oh, hello. Pero usually sa mga gantong bagay, teka, maging alerta muna tayo. Baka meron kasing ano. Diary again.
The threads of the narrative unravel before my eyes, and the people
Ay, Little Redwood to ah.
their destiny. They need a beacon, a guide to direct their destinies. And so, in an act of necessity, I decide to create the fairies. But I cannot do it in the same way as the
Little Red Hood nga.
rest. For their essence will be the same, and their will equally
Nagbebenta ng ano, ng
They
tawag
must be
dito.
born in the very bosom of Pantea, absorbed in its history
like
and being molded
magic.
by its mysteries. But who could perform such an important task?
Another page again. Wow, exit pala yun. Ano lagay dito? Rune page. Wait lang. Try nga natin kunin yung rune page sa taas. Wala pa naman siya eh. Okay, F. Ito yung... Whoa! Wait lang, ano na ako. Naghanap ako ng page. Wait, bukas ba to? Bukas ba to? Ito bukas to? Ah, bukas. Okay. Chill. Tata. Okay, ano next? Meron page niya sa baba. Saan tayo? Bad shot. Nagtigan ako dito. Wow! Especially sa mga kukunin nating keys ay buksan. Uy, bukas pala to. So, kailangan dito yung papakita. Okay. Noted. Kasi papahabol kasi eh. Titignan ko lang eh. Okay, so may sirang medyas doon. Dito ay si Tanda. Wala, mauhuli tayo dito. Eh, kasalanan ko eh. Tatakbo ko sa'yo eh. Nahabol mo ako. Bad child. So ngayon balik tayo doon para maghanap ng ingredients. Either runes. Ano to? Bola? Nothing, Your Majesty. Huwag tayo bumalik dyan. Hindi ko alam ano to. Runes. Okay. So hindi niya naririnig pagka may nag-ano tayo dito. Ayan. Temo. Hindi niya naririnig, di ba? Hindi ang kagaya ng granny. Lagyan natin dito. In case of emergency. Okay. Okay, meron ko lang baba dito. Dito mabuksan. Ano kailangan nun? Susi. None. May tumawag na saglit. Siyempre na-post ko yan. Hindi yan makikita sa ano. Siniyak. Boo! Oh my god. Oh my god. So, kailangan hanapin natin yung part ng toy crowbar. Drop na rin natin yan dito. Yung sirang medyas Ano to? Oh! Ilang. Oh, ito yung ano, medyo sumang madumi.
Do not run away.
Okay, nasa na tayo? Diba? Ito. Medyo sumang madumi nandyan. Tabi. Bulol. Ito yung medyo
What are you doing out of your cage?
magano ko, yung medyo sumang madumi.
The room of bones still has the smell of death. But I want to get over everything that happened.
Actually, wala nang ano dito. Kukunin. Sa taas naman. Ayun, knowledge of paper. Thunder spell. Rune.
What are you doing out of your cage?
What do you mean? Aray ko.
Do not run away!
Knock knock. Ayun lang.
Very well. That's how I like it. Very fat and tasty, child.
Yun na yun. Actually, wala akong ano eh. Buhay nung kanina kaya ito, trinay ko. Lumabounce daw. So anyway, yun muna yung game para sa Witch Cry. Hindi muna tayo mag-extreme kasi hindi pa tayo ano, tawag dito, professional. Pero i-try natin ng i-try, no? Kahit pa paano. So pag umabot na ng 1,000 views, siguro yun muna yung goal natin dito. At yun lang. Maraming salamat sa panonood, pero mas pag-igihan pa natin. Okay? Thank you sa inyo at maraming salamat. Hanggang sa muli. Kung meron man ako nasabing hindi maganda, pasensyahan niyo na at correct me if I'm wrong. Okay? That's it for today. Goodbye. See ya.